Me about our new brand.
How do I sign up for Eagleview 1?
How can Eagleview determine the roof age?
When is Eagleview 1 going to have wall reports and full house available?
People have been asking me about property data, like our roof age and roof condition. Eagleview's machine learning property data. AI is all the buzz in not only the roofing industry, but all over today. And our property data is integrated into more and more platforms, and really it's an understanding of where the property data and AI is really going to reside and add value to the customer's workflow streams.
I think that's all we get is the premium roof reports. It just gives us everything we need. We have used on occasion when we get into a siding, we do full storm restoration, so when we're arguing with insurance on the siding or any kind of exterior damage other than the roof, then that full report from Eagleview that gives us all those, the window cutout, the wall square footage, those kind of things help quite a bit.
Eagleview's new customer success team is here to make sure that every customer meets their intended outcomes and has a great customer experience.